Ndewo. In this class, we still continue from where we stopped. Remember, we've treated the 9 punctuation mark. Today, we are going into the 10th punctuation mark. All these that I'm doing is to explain this punctuation mark one after the other to enable you to understand why I achieve my own educational aims and objective. The 11th one. The next one is Akarauhie. Akarauhie. The 10th one is Akarauhie. Akarauhie is called hyphen in English language. Hyphen. What is this hyphen? Hyphen helps to join helping verb. Some people call it auxiliary verb. Helping verb and auxiliary verb are the same thing. So hyphen helps to join helping verb and auxiliary verb with the gerund. They join helping verb and auxiliary verb with the gerund. This example will be mainly in Igbo language, but I will still explain what that example is all about. We have two auxiliary verb in Igbo language. We have two auxiliary verb, which is na and ga. We have two auxiliary verb, na and ga. The na auxiliary verb shows that we are talking about it. It shows that that particular thing is happening. The now auxiliary verb explain that what we are talking about is already happening. Is already happening. So when you see na in a sentence, it means that the sentence means that this particular auxiliary verb is explaining that this particular sentence is happening now. So the ga auxiliary verb, it explains that something will happen in future. It explains that something will happen in future. The ga auxiliary verb explains that something will happen in future. Example of the na auxiliary verb. Chioma na-esi nri. Chioma na-esi nri. It means that Chioma is cooking. This particular sentence explains that this particular work or task is being done right away. Chioma is cooking. It's not a past tense. It's a present tense, what we are doing. Chioma na-asa akwa. Chioma is washing clothes. Is a continuous thing, something that Chioma is doing that moment. So this na auxiliary verb tells you that Chioma is doing something. And this na auxiliary verb, before you join it with the gerund, you must use hyphen. You must use hyphen. This na auxiliary verb, before you join it with the gerund, you must use hyphen. Same as the ga auxiliary verb, you must use hyphen to join the auxiliary verb and the gerund. Chioma na-esi nri. Chioma is cooking. In English, you will notice that there is no joining with the is and, but in Igbo, that is where we make use of it. The auxiliary verb doesn't come out in English language. I'm just explaining it, the meaning for you. But when you are writing it in Igbo language, you will see by yourself that this na is talking about something that is being done present. While the ga is talking about something that is going to be done in future. So when you are explaining to someone that this particular thing will be done in future, Chioma ga-esi nri. Chioma ga-esi nri means that Chioma will cook. Chioma is not cooking then. Chioma will still cook, maybe later, tomorrow, anytime. But that particular act have not been carried out. Rather, is a future act. So remember the way I told you that this auxiliary verb While joining it with gerund, you must use a what? Hyphen. With this example, you can explain how we use this hyphen. That is where hyphen comes in, because hyphen helps to join an auxiliary verb with a gerund. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Daalụ, ka ọ dị.